Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Hey guys, it's JR from daddygvillesworld. Today we're replacing the U-joints in a 1991 full-size van. This is the process on how we do that. You can actually get to the U-joints. There is 4 bolts right here. We have to remove 4 bolts to pull up the drive shaft. So let's get that done. Who's in the van? Oh, sit down. Alright. There. I forgot. Gotta tap it out. No. Alright. Now the dry shaft is out, and now we'll just have to change the U-joints in it. Problems you'll see, we got the dry shaft out. One of the problems you'll see is right here, is this should be able to move with very little pressure, and as you see, you got to work with it just to get it to move. But here we go. There's 4 little pins, and this has been replaced before. As you can see, there's a grease, and that one down there pretty much is the original one, and that's why I'm having so much problem with it. But we gotta take these 4 clips out. Do this. That one. We got new ones to replace it, but we'll find out here in a bit. Take this clip out.
You doing this dual time?
There's the pliers. Right, there's one of the clips right there. Now, the other 2 clips we ain't got to worry about because I've already took it off the rear end here. We just got to knock them through. Now, what we want to do with that, grab a socket that's going to fit and beat the snot out of it. But don't do it where it's so hard where you're bending your drive shaft, because then you will have problems with all this traffic. You can't hear crap.
Finish.
Alright. I stopped the video because this one here was seized up and it was taking forever to beat it out because where it was seized up, didn't want to move. I got one side off, and as you'll see, you can't pull it out this way because, you know, you still got this one sticking through and you still got this on, it won't come off. So what you have to do, you'll have to take it, line it back up, turn it over, and beat it back through the other side where you get that one off. Then you can pull them out. It makes it a lot easier. Now we just gotta get it completely lined back up here and start knocking it back through the other end. And once it gets so far back in there, see, I've almost got it through already. Now we'll have to find something to put in there to help beat it the rest of the way through. First, we'll beat it in a little more to where it's flush on there. I want to smash my hands here. I ain't got vice grips. And excuse me, it's getting cold out here. I'm getting a cold. Doing this for my in-laws here.
Where's the other one?
I got this one here.
You don't try to get that one?
Now it's through the other side. Pull the cap off. It should come out with ease. There we go. There's one down, one more to go. Probably sees legs. This is my father-in-law.
Hi.
Probably
I'll
sees
beat
his
you up.
legs.
Oh, no, no.
See,
Quit
look.
running in the mud and running in the house.
Like, see, this has already been replaced once. See, there's the grease fitting. That one down there doesn't have the clips or grease fitting, so that's probably the original one in it. But here's what I was wanting to show you. Right here is what I was telling you. Okay. This thing, somebody took a torch to this thing. They have, it's been broken in half, and they just welded it back together, but they didn't weld it too good. I'm taking some of the old grease out of here, and I cleaned it out. I already cleaned it up out of here, and just to lube it up a little bit. That way, everything slides back together, and then we'll put the dry shaft back in. Alright, now let's put it back together. Here's the new U-joint. You gotta be real careful with this. See, it's to go back in here just like this, and once we get it all back together, then you can just tap it on. Turn this sideways. I don't want to put it upward and lose some of the needle bearings out of it, and that would really suck.
Daddy,
What?
you should don't say that word.
Don't say that word?
Camera. It's on camera.
Okay. Now what we'll do, take this hammer here. Alright, and now we'll take the other side, turn it around. here. Alright, now we just gotta make sure there's enough clearance in here to put new pins, and there's almost enough clearance. There, so I can hit a little harder without damaging it here. Okay, wipe that off. Alright, that's good. Alright, sorry about that, my camera died. What we gotta do next, once we get it in here, see, I've got this already here flush, right here, so what I want to do is I want to push this clip back on. Yeah, get it back on. I don't want to lose none of the needle bearings in it. That would really suck. Yeah. Press this on here. If I can get it on. By the back here. Yeah, come on. There's one. There's four.
As you can tell, his little helper.
Four altogether that you got to put on, 2 on each side. And as you see where I got this clip on now, I got to tap the other side through a little more to get the clip to go completely on. What'd you do with the hammer, boy?
He's wanting to watch you.
I want to do something else.
So I got to tap it through just a tad more.
Henry.
Henry, sit down there. That's right there, okay. Sit down on it, boy. And that should work.
Sit down on it. Stay sitting.
Yeah, I'll tap it some more, dang it. Go, boy.
Oh, my fault. I told him to sit down. Now sit back down.
You hit the
Get
bell.
this bigger one here. Get this hammer.
You can do it in the woods.
Echoing.
Echo. Sorry.
Here's that.
Hammer.
Alright. Henry, hand me that screwdriver there, son. Here we go. is putting the dry shaft back in. Alright, that's the end of this video. That's how you replace a U-joint. Sometimes they might be a little harder. You might have to take them to a shop and have them machine pressed out. But do it yourself. That's pretty much how you can do it if you don't have proper tools. Alright, until next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
Getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.